Hey, ready? Today we're learning how to make plans in Marathi like a real person, not like a robot reading a calendar app. Very practical stuff. Meeting friends, deciding a time, suggesting a place, saying you'll come, saying let's go, and saying what you'll do together. So if you've ever wanted to say things like, want to meet tomorrow, let's go to a cafe, or I'll come at 7, this is your scene. The big idea today is super simple. In Marathi, making plans often sounds light and friendly. You don't need huge, complicated sentences. Usually, you just need a time word, an action, and a friendly ending. Things like udya, tomorrow, nantar, later, sandhyakali, in the evening, and then verbs like petani, to meet, zarne, to go, yene, to come, and baharne, to watch or see. Let's start with the most useful planning line of all, udya petaichun ka. That means, do you want to meet tomorrow? Literally, it feels like tomorrow to meet. Friendly, short, natural. Say it with me. Udya petaichun ka. Nice. How do you say, do you want to meet tomorrow? Udya भेटायचं का? Udya भेटायचं का? Good. That little ga at the end turns it into an easy question, like want to? Very handy. You can use it everywhere. Coffee घ्यायची का? Want to have coffee? बाहेर जायचं का? Want to go out? Movie पाहायची का? Want to watch a movie? Tiny memory trick. If you're inviting someone casually, think of the pattern. Time plus action plus ga. उद्या भेटायचं का? संध्याकाळी जायचं का? रात्री movie पाहायची का? It's like building with small blocks. Now let's make it a little more specific. Suppose the other person says yes. Great. Now you need, what time should we meet? In natural Marathi for this lesson, we'll use आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं. That's a very useful planning sentence. किती वाजता means at what time. How do you say, what time should we meet in Marathi? आपण किती वाजता भेटायचो. आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं? Nice. Say just the time chunk with me. किती वाजता. At what time. Super useful. You can plug it into other sentences too. तू किती वाजता येणार? What time will you come? आपण किती वाजता जाऊ? What time will we go? Quick side note. You'll hear both super casual and slightly more polite styles in Marathi. Today we're staying friendly and useful. You might hear to with friends and आपण in a friendly we sense for making plans together. That keeps things smooth. Now let's use zarne, to go. One of the nicest invitation forms is जाऊया, let's go. It's warm, inclusive, easy. चल cafe जाऊया. Let's go to the cafe. चल is like come on, let's go. Very common, very alive. How do you say let's go to the cafe in Marathi? चल कॅफेत जाऊया. चल कॅफेत जाऊया. Perfect. Notice cafet means in or to the cafe, basically to the cafe in this context. Marathi often attaches little endings to place words. Don't overthink it right now. Just store the whole chunk. Cafet जाऊया. Cafe to let's go. Easy. Try a few more in the same rhythm. चल पार्क मध्ये जाऊया. Let's go to the park. चल मॉल मध्ये जाऊया. Let's go to the mall. Yes, English words mix in naturally all the time. Very normal. Now another super important verb. Yene, to come. If your friend asks, can you come at 7? You want to say, मी 7 वाजता येईन. I will come at 7. This is one of those high-value sentences. Learn it once, use it everywhere. How do you say I will come at 7 in Marathi? मी 7 वाजता येईन. मी 7 वाजता येईन. Nice. You can swap out the time easily. मी 6 वाजता येईन. I'll come at 6. मी थोड्या वेळाने येईन. I'll come a little later. मी उद्या येईन. I'll come tomorrow. Quick memory trick for planning language. Think of three anchors: time, person, action. For example, सात vajata at 7. Me, I, येईन will come. Put them together. मी 7 vajata येईन. Marathi is often very happy when you build from chunks like this. Now let's bring in paharne, to watch. Super social, super useful. आपण movie pahu. We'll watch a movie. Simple, common, and actually useful in real life. How do you say, we will watch a movie in Marathi? आपण movie pahu. आपण movie pahu. Great. That pahu sound is worth remembering. It means we will watch or will see in this context. You can also say, आपण match pahu. We'll watch the match. आपण series pahu. We'll watch a series. Very everyday Marathi. Now let's start linking these pieces like real conversation. उद्या भेटायचं का? Want to meet tomorrow? हो चालेल. Yes, sounds good. आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं? What time should we meet? 7 वाजता. At 7. चल कॅफेत जाऊया? Let's go to the cafe. ठीक आहे. मी 7 वाजता येईन. Okay, I'll come at 7. नंतर आपण movie pahu. Later, we'll watch a movie. See? That already feels like a full social plan. How do you say let's meet in the evening in Marathi? संध्याकाळी भेटूया. संध्याकाळी भेटूया. Nice. भेटूया is another very useful form. Let's meet. You don't need to master every grammar label. Just learn it as a ready-made phrase. संध्याकाळी भेटूया. Let's meet in the evening. How do you say shall we go later in Marathi? नंतर जाऊया का? नंतर जाऊया का? Excellent. Again, same pattern. Time word, action, question marker. नंतर जाऊया का? Later shall we go? How do you say can you come today in Marathi? आज येऊ शकतोस का? आज येऊ शकतोस का? Good. That's more direct. Can you come today? With a friend, this sounds natural. If you're not sure about all the endings yet, no stress. Just keep hearing and repeating the chunk. Now let's talk about common mistakes learners make. First mistake, translating too literally from English. English says, I am meeting my friend tomorrow at 7 at the cafe. That's a lot. Marathi often prefers shorter, cleaner pieces. उद्या 7 वाजता कॅफेत भेटू. Tomorrow at 7 we'll meet at the cafe. Short, clear, done, no drama. Second mistake, trying to memorize isolated day words without using them in real plans. Instead of just learning udya means tomorrow, learn udya भेटायचं का? Instead of just learning आज means today, learn आज येऊ शकतोस का? The sentence is the memory. Third mistake, forgetting that social Marathi is often compact. You don't need full formal sentences every time. चल, जाऊया. Come on, let's go. नंतर भेटू. See you later. मी येतो. I'm coming. These are gold. Fourth mistake, mixing up the main verbs. Let's lock them in with images. भेटणे is meet. Think of two friends bumping fists. जाणे is go. Think of moving away. येणे is come. Think of moving toward you. Bahane is watch or see. Think of eyes. Meet, go, come, watch. भेट, जा, ye, baha. Let's do a quick spoken build together moment. How do you say do you want to go out today? आज बाहेर जायचं का? आज बाहेर जायचं का? Nice. How do you say I will come later in Marathi? मी नंतर येईन. मी नंतर येईन. Good. How do you say let's watch a movie tomorrow in Marathi? उद्या मूवी पाहूया. उद्या माझा फ्रेंड रोहन मला फोन करतो. तो म्हणतो, उद्या भेटायचं का? मी म्हणते, हो, चालेल. आपण संध्याकाळी 7 वाजता कॅफेत भेटायचं ठरवतो. नंतर आपण मूव्ही पाहू असंही ठरवतो. शेवटी मी म्हणते, ठीक आहे, मी वेळेवर येईन. उद्या भेटायचं का? उद्या भेटायचं का? How do you say what time should we meet in Marathi? आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं? आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं? How do you say let's go to the cafe in Marathi? चल कॅफेत जाऊया. चल कॅफेत जाऊया. How do you say I will come at 7 in Marathi? मी 7 वाजता येईन. मी 7 वाजता येईन. How do you say we will watch a movie in Marathi? आपण मूव्ही पाहू. आपण मूव्ही पाहू. Beautiful. Today you learned how to invite, arrange, suggest, and confirm simple plans in Marathi. The core idea is easy. Use short, friendly chunks. Time plus action. Place plus action. Question plus ka. And keep those key verbs close. भेटणे, जाणे, येणे, पाहणे. If you remember just a few lines from today, make them these. उद्या भेटायचं का? आपण किती वाजता भेटायचं? चल कॅफेत जाऊया. मी 7 वाजता येईन. आपण मूव्ही पाहू. Honestly, with these, you can already start making real plans. झकास काम. Seriously, nice job. Listen again, repeat out loud, and next time you think about meeting a friend, try saying the plan in Marathi in your head. Little by little, it becomes natural. Okay, cool. Next time someone says, "Scene काय आहे?"